In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a new page in the Wix Editor. Whether you're building a website from scratch or simply expanding your existing site, adding new pages is a fundamental skill that can make a big difference in how you present your content online. So let's dive right in. First, we need to be inside the Wix Editor. Once you're logged into your Wix account and have selected the site you want to work on, you'll find yourself in the interface where all the magic happens. On the left side, there's a toolbar that serves as your main navigation hub within the editor. Look for an option labeled Menus and Pages. Clicking on it will open a comprehensive list of your current site pages, all neatly organized for ease of access and management. Now, to add a new page, you'll want to locate the icon or button with a plus sign, often labeled Add Page. This is your starting point for creating a fresh space to showcase whatever content you have in mind, be it a new blog post, a photo gallery, or an online store section. Once you click this, you'll be prompted to give your page a name. It's important to choose something descriptive and relevant, as this will not only help you stay organized, but also improve how visitors navigate your site. For instance, if you're adding a contact page, simply name it Contact Us. Once you've named your page, the next step is to get creative. Customization is where you can truly make your website stand out and align it with your brand or personal style. You can change the layout, background colors, fonts, and much more. Don't be afraid to explore various options within the customization settings. Wix is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to see your changes in real time as you make them. If you're ever unsure, there are plenty of tutorials and guides available directly within the Wix platform to offer more detailed advice. After you finish customizing and you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to make your page live. To do this, you'll need to publish your changes. There should be a Publish button, typically located at the top right corner of the editor. Clicking this will update your website and make the new page accessible to your visitors. Remember, publishing doesn't just apply your recent changes, it also ensures that your entire site is up to date with any edits you've made during your session. And that's it! You've successfully added and customized a new page on your Wix website. This process is not only quick, but also offers endless possibilities for personalizing your site. I hope this guide has been helpful and encourages you to explore even more features within the Wix editor. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!